Okay, so today we're going to look at creating an EXE for your Unity game. So just got a simple game, it doesn't matter, you don't need to see it, you just see that it runs, no errors, well, apart from a little warning, but who cares about warnings. So we're going to go File, and down here to Build Settings. On here, just check that you have added your scene. If not, click Add Open Scenes and it'll add it, but I am in this sample scene that's already added, so that's fine. You can also choose between what you want to actually make your Unity EXE as. So I'm going for a PC standalone game, which is great. However, you could do like a WebGL if you wanted to export it to a site like itch.io. iOS if you wanted to do it to Apple, and so on. But we're just going to keep with this. So the Unity symbol will be on which one you're actually going to pick. One last bit to note is that if you're going to do any of these, you need to download the extra modules or whatever Unity calls them to be able to use these, because you don't have them straight off the bat. So I wouldn't bother with anything else. I would just go ahead and click Build, which will bring up your files. This is exactly the project that you're working in at the moment. So what I would do is I would add a new folder and I would call it Builds. However, if you were one of my students, I would say the project name. So let's just call it temp project underscore your first name and then your second name, I don't know, something like that. And then just like exe or something like that, and then you can zip this up. But for now, I'll just put it as builds. So selecting that folder, and then that. Oh, where have I saved mine? Tutorials tutorial project. Ah, this is it. So you can see I've made builds here, and then once this has gone through, which it nearly has, in its own time. Excellent. Oh, actually, it opens it up for us, but you can see same thing. This is all you need to play an EXE. So to actually run a game, you just need these files. So what you can do is you can go right click on builds and you could do like add to archive, and we could do whatever you like. I don't know, you're just trying to zip it up, so let's do a zip. Hit OK, let it zip. Mine might look different to yours, I might be using something different to yours, but here you go. We zip that, and then you can submit that to your assignments, or in fact, if you were uploading it to itch.io as the web open you get what I mean, then that would be what you need as a zip file rather than a full package. But anyway, you can see if you double click the EXE, it loads up Unity, and here we have our little game, which is awesome. Yeah, nice. Okay, and then of course you'd need like an escape button or something to leave, but if not, you can just Alt F4 to close. And that is it. That is how you make an EXE and how you would zip everything up, so then you can submit that for your assignments or whatever you're wanting to do with it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.